Microsoft has recently unveiled a new artificial intelligence technology that can simulate anyone's voice with just 3 seconds of audio. The technology called VALL-E uses deep learning algorithms to analyze and replicate the unique characteristics of a person's voice, such as pitch, accent, and speaking style. Once the AI has learned a person's voice, it can then generate new speech that sounds like that person. The process only takes a few seconds, making it incredibly fast and efficient. The program was designed for text-to-speech synthesis. A team of researchers at Microsoft created it by having the system listen to 60,000 hours of English audiobook narration from over 7,000 different speakers in a bid to get it to reproduce human-sounding speech. This sample is hundreds of times larger than what other text-to-speech programs have been built on. The Microsoft team published a website that includes several demos of VALL-E in action. The AI program can not only clone someone's voice using a 3-second audio clip, but also manipulate the cloned voice to say whatever is desired. In addition, the program can replicate emotion in a person's voice or be configured into different speaking styles. Voice cloning is nothing new, but Microsoft's approach stands out by making it easy to replicate anyone's voice with only a short snippet of audio data. Hence, it's not hard to imagine the same technology fueling cybercrime, which the Microsoft team acknowledges as a potential threat. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the real-world examples generated by VALL-E, a cutting-edge audio cloning technology. We will examine a selection of samples created using just a 3-second audio clip, showcasing the power and precision of this advanced system. Let's try this first one. First, listen the speaker's prompt, and let's listen the voice cloned by VALL-E. You can see how this picked up with just a 3-second audio and cloned it same with any text.
He descended the ladder and found himself soon upon firm rock.
That's the speaker's prompt. Let's check with the one generated by VALL-E.
They moved thereafter cautiously about the hut, groping before and about them to find something to show that Warrington had fulfilled his mission.
Let's try the next one. That was the speaker's prompt.
Milked cow and tames the fire.
And now, generated by VALL-E.
And lay me down in thy coal bed, and relieve my shining lot.
In the same way, you can check with the rest of the samples given by Microsoft.
He told his visitors as he lighted a pipe with a instead of shoes. The old man wore boots with turnover tops, and his blue coat had wide cuffs of gold braid.
Let's have a look at some of the synthesis of diversity samples. VALL-E is a revolutionary technology that can synthesize diverse, personalized speech samples with just a pair of text and speaker prompts. Using advanced algorithms and random seeds, this cutting-edge system is able to produce an array of unique speech samples, each with its own distinct characteristics.
We live by the rule of law. Because we do not need it. Because we do not need it.
It's all changed at Kilmarnock. I must do something about it.
In the same way, you can check with the rest of the samples given by Microsoft. Speaker's emotions. VALL-E, a cutting-edge speech synthesis technology, is capable of synthesizing personalized speech while preserving the emotional inflection of the speaker prompt. This is achieved through the use of audio prompts sampled from the Emotional Voices database, allowing for accurate capture and conveyance of the intended sentiment in the synthesized speech. Let's have a look at some of these samples with speaker's emotions. Let's try the anger one first.
Her face was against his breast. We have to reduce the number of plastic bags.
The sleepy.
Straight down and dig in. We have to reduce the number of plastic bags.
Natural.
Do you know that you are shaking my confidence in you? We have to reduce the number of plastic bags.
You can check the rest of the samples on Microsoft's VALL-E on their website. The link has been given in the description. VALL-E processes audio speech by breaking it down into distinct tokens, and then reproduces those tokens to speak different text. The technology generates the appropriate acoustic tokens based on a 3-second recording and then uses these tokens to create the final waveform with a neural codec decoder. However, it is worth noting that the technology is not yet perfect, and the team of researchers from Microsoft mentioned in their research paper that VALL-E may have difficulty pronouncing certain words or may produce an artificial or robotic-sounding output. Additionally, the generated words may sound garbled or tonally incorrect. Let's hear that sample audio.
Do you know that you are shaking my confidence in you?
We have to reduce the number of plastic bags. We have to reduce the number of plastic bags.
Despite its limitations, the research indicates that further advancements in voice cloning technology can be achieved through increased training on larger audio datasets. As of now, Microsoft has not made VALL-E available to the general public, likely to guard against misuse. Thank you for watching our video on VALL-E. We hope you have found it informative and insightful. At our channel, we are committed to bringing you the latest and greatest in the field of AI and related technologies. We would be honored if you would consider subscribing to our channel. Your support will encourage us to create more unique and informative videos like this one. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to hit the bell button for notification.